just received this package. From Amazon. Now this is new H7 light bulbs from NovSight. Now I have been sent these courtesy of NovSight, so thanks for that first of all. So you can see just round the back here that all the different qualities of them. They are energy saving, probably the brightest lights you can buy at the moment. These are the H7 ones. I've actually got these from my dad's car. Waterproof. They're very, very easy to fit from what I'm led to believe, so I can update you on that further after I've fitted them. And of course as well, you can see they've got a high-speed fan, so they do keep nice and cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this. It's a very nice box. I like the shimmer you get. Hopefully the lights are just as cool. Just going ahead to do the unboxing. I've just taken the plastic wrapper off. See what you get in here. So nice little pair of gloves here. Just obviously for when you're fitting the bulbs to keep your hands nice and clean. That's quite a nice touch. A little product manual in here just to show you how to do it if you're unsure. Now let's have a look in here at this. So this here N30 LED bulb. You just take that out. Very carefully packaged here in polystyrene. So just quickly going to take one of these. Now you see this here is the unit that we use, so this just plugs into the car. You can see it's set up quite like a socket, so it'll be nice and easy to install. See here as well, we do have the little connectors. Now these are my dad's lights before we installed the new LED ones from NovSight. You can see they are quite yellow looking, so we have just pulled out these standard bulbs and we are just about to replace them with the new LED ones. One thing I would advise with this is do not do it in the dark. I've sped this little bit of footage up just because there was a lot of messing around, you can see, with the torches and stuff, so it did take a bit of time just to try and figure out where everything was, but after being able to see it with the lights, it was nice and easy just to plug in and go, as you'll see here. I mean, just look at the difference between those two bulbs there. The old one is very yellow, the new one is very, very bright white. It's just such a transformation, makes the car look so much newer. Now, if you are interested in purchasing these NovSight LED lights, I will link to them down below in the description. You can purchase them on Amazon, and like I say, I haven't had any problems. They were very, very easy to fit, very quick delivery, and NovSight are very easy to deal with. If you've had these or you know someone that has, please comment down below to let us know your experience with them, and please like and subscribe to this video and my channel as well. Thanks everyone for watching.